Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the fancy video equipment out there? If you've got a laptop, you're already halfway there. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your laptop to create great looking videos for your business. No extra gadgets, no stress, just simple steps to getting you started today. I'm Jeremy and I've spent over 26 years behind the camera in UK broadcast TV, filming everything from legendary concerts and big Saturday night shows to historic royal events. But what I love the most is helping people like you, passionate, purpose-driven business owners, use the power of video to connect with audiences and grow your business. And let me tell you, you don't need a high-end camera to make a powerful impact. Today, we're covering everything you need to start recording with your laptop, from optimizing your camera settings to positioning tricks that make you look your best. Imagine this, you're sitting in front of your laptop, ready to film your first video. Maybe you're a coach who wants to share tips with clients, or maybe you're trying to introduce your services to potential customers. You want to look professional, but you don't have tons of expensive equipment. The good news is your laptop camera will get you there with just a few sneaky little tweaks. Creating videos for your business is a lot like showing up to a meeting prepared. You want to put your best foot forward, make a brilliant impression, and connect authentically with your audience. The way you set up your camera and audio is the preparation that helps you do just that. First up, let's talk about getting the most out of your laptop's built-in camera. On a Windows PC, open the camera app and go to the settings. You can adjust the resolution and tweak the brightness to improve the quality instantly. Mac users, you can either use apps like Photo Booth or QuickTime to access your camera settings and ensure you're looking your best. Now, if you want to take things a bit further, tools like MiniCam or OBS Studio can really enhance your video quality. These are affordable, sometimes even free, and they give you more control over how you appear on screen. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert. The pros of MiniCam are its user-friendly interface, and it's great for adding effects and filters, and it integrates really well with lots of different platforms. The cons are, though, that some features require a paid subscription, and it can be resource intensive, which may slow down older laptops. Now, then we've got OBS Studio, which is what I'm using to record right now. It's completely free, it's really customizable, and it offers professional grade controls over your video and audio settings. The cons are, there is a steeper learning curve compared to MiniCam, and it can be overwhelming for beginners initially, but with practice, it can be a really powerful tool. So in terms of actually recording video on a laptop, Mac users can use QuickTime Player. So you just need to open QuickTime Player. You click on the Finder icon, search for QuickTime Player, and then just open the application. Then select New Movie Recording, click on File on the top menu bar, and then select New Movie Recording. And then you need to choose your webcam, and by default, QuickTime will use your built-in webcam in the laptop. Click on the arrow next to the record button to make sure your webcam and microphone are selected. Then you need to adjust the settings if you need to. Then when you're ready, click the red record button to start recording. Once you're finished, click the same button to stop recording. And then once you're done, you go to File and select Save to save your video to wherever you want it to be saved to. For PC users, you can use OBS Studio. So go to obsproject.com and download OBS Studio and just follow the instructions to install it. Once you've installed it, just open the OBS Studio app, then click the plus icon under Sources and select Video Capture Device. This will allow you to add your laptop's built-in webcam. Then you need to name your source, so give it a name. I would say something like laptop webcam, and then click OK. In the next window, make sure your laptop's webcam is the one that's selected as the device, and you can adjust settings quite easily to get the best quality. And then in terms of adding an audio source, you need to click the plus icon under Sources again and select Audio Input Capture to ensure your mic is capturing sound. When you're ready, click Start Recording in the bottom right-hand corner, and OBS will save the video to your computer once you click Stop Recording. Sound can make or break your video, so definitely stick around to the end because I'm going to share some super powerful audio tips that can mean the difference between viewers staying hooked on your videos or just clicking away. Now let's talk about camera positioning. Position your laptop so the camera is just above your eye line. You can stack books under your laptop to get that perfect angle. This helps avoid the dreaded double chin effect and makes you look way more approachable and confident. And make sure you're centered in the frame with a little bit of space above your head. It keeps the focus on you and avoids awkward cropping. Simple adjustments, but they make a massive difference. So let's talk about audio. Audio is super important. People will forgive a wobbly video shot, but poor audio will make them click away fast, and once they've gone, they'll never come back. Start with your laptop's built-in mic if you have to, but I would urge you to consider upgrading to an affordable USB mic, or even use the mic on your earbuds. It's a small change that will make a big difference. Background noise can be a killer for engagement, so make sure you're filming in a quiet room, and if you want to, you can use blankets or pillows, out of shot obviously, to absorb sound. And there are even apps like Crisp that help reduce background noise. Editing apps like Descript also have settings that can improve sound quality, but like I said before, it's always better to get things right first up in camera rather than trying to sort stuff out later. Focusing on audio quality can really boost that vital viewer retention, how long people stay around watching your videos. People want to hear you clearly, and even small tweaks can make your videos way more engaging. Now, when you're starting out in terms of video creation, you will probably run into a few bumps in the road. Maybe the lighting isn't perfect, or you're struggling with sound quality. That's normal, and it's all part of the process. For example, it took me multiple tries to set up the audio right when I first started recording on my phone. I remember countless attempts where I thought I had it, only to realize that the sound wasn't clear enough. The wind noise was too much when I was filming outside. A lot of my early videos never even saw the light of day online because the sound quality just wasn't up to it. It's really important to make sure that people can hear what you're saying. Bad quality video that people can't hear or get value from is no good for your audience. Ultimately, poor sound will damage your brand, which we absolutely want to avoid. The key here is really not to get discouraged. Every step you take makes your videos a little bit better, and that progress is ultimately what matters. It's completely normal to feel slightly frustrated at first. Just know that every single person who creates video content has been where you are right now. In the next video, we're going to tackle one of the most important elements of creating great looking video content, and that is lighting. Lighting can take your video from looking amateur to looking way more professional in minutes, and you don't need to buy stacks of fancy lights to do it. I'm going to show you how to make the most from what you have already at home. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to lighting? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure I cover it off in future videos. And here's what I would love you to do. Optimize your laptop camera settings. Position that camera just above your eye line and make a plan to upgrade your audio, even if it's just using earbuds. Now, if this has whet your appetite and you're ready to take your video skills to the next level, check out our Video Unlocked course. Over just 10 days, you're going to gain the confidence and skills to start creating videos that really resonate with your audience. Now, the link is in description. It's a free course, and I'd love to see you there. And don't forget, next up, we're talking all about lighting. It's an absolute game changer, and I cannot wait to share my favorite hacks with you. If you've enjoyed this video, got value from it, cheeky old thumbs up always goes down very well. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.